Guess where I am, you guys? Here in England, my first ever English Premier League game. Home opener, West Ham versus Aston Villa. Yes, we came all the way here from across the ocean for a real English Premier League experience. So exciting! We got VIP tickets too.
Sammy in front. People say you've got time to bed in. We didn't have time to bed in. We had to go.
So this is super cool. What happens is when you get your VIP tickets, you also get access to this lounge. You get a 3-course meal, and then you get to come back at halftime, have complimentary drinks, as well as your dessert. So it's really cool. You get the meal and the lounge with the tickets also. Alright, the game is over. Unfortunately, West Ham lost, but it was still a great experience for me coming all the way from the States to watch my first English Premier League game in person. What an experience, wow. Just the experience alone was worth it. Alright, game well done. Well, not really, because West Ham lost, but I mean, overall the game was really good to watch. It was so exciting, so fun. Now we're heading back. We're going to take the train back to our hotel, and then next adventure tomorrow.